got my barbecue shoes on.
Hey, hear me?
Gonna smoke me a fat brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
So, we're gonna do some spare ribs with Alabama white sauce, and we're gonna fry these ribs a little bit too.
Yeah.
This is gonna be good. There's no preparation really need for these spare ribs. All right, you can see the membranes on. These are cut St. Louis style, right? Guess the trucks are backing in here for another load of SPG. So there's nothing to it. Now we could go ahead and, of course, take the membrane off. Don't really have to, right? I mean, you just do a little crosshatch slice here, right? This will allow some of the rub and, of course, our SPG to get into this a bit. But there's a lot of guys out there that like the membrane on a bit. So gnawing off the bone at the end of the low and slow is a pretty cool experience. Although we're doing them different, but that's why you're here. You got to check it out. Now we're going to season these things a little bit. So we happen to be using a little bit of our pork privilege, right? Use your favorite rub like that. It's pork privilege. It's because it's got all those awesome flavors, just ideal for pork. So now we got that side, and that flavoring will get through some of that membrane, right? So and then we're gonna hit it with just a little SPG. It's a little bit of salt. We want to be careful with the salt because the salt will pull moisture, right? And we really don't want that. We're for the flavor here with the SPG. So I'll just hit it just lightly. Alright, flip it. Do the same thing on the other side. Oh, these are going to be good. Alabama white sauce spare ribs. Are you kidding me? This is going to be good. Little SPG. SPG's got a little bit of garlic in there too, right? Red pepper flake. Background heat. That's why we're selling truckloads of this stuff all over the world now. All right, we're gonna do these low and slow, maybe 275 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 3, more or less. You know, in that range, works good. This could take, you know, a few hours to do or whatever. We'll get back to it. So we'll throw them on the grill, the kettle grill. We're doing indirect grilling, so we can use this as a smoker. All right, indirect. We're not gonna burn the bottom. We got that. Oh man, this smells good already. Like this. So that's it. Put the cover on, and that's it.
Crack open a cold
All
one.
right. We got more stuff to do here too, right? I think we're doing Brunswick stew. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's see how these ribs are going on here. No, and listen, I could put the cover there, but no. If I did that, you wouldn't be able to see the ribs as we're shooting it, right? We always get, you know, one of those attention whore food cops or whatever, so you can delete that part. But they'll come in and they'll comment, well, why didn't you put the cover right here? This is what it, nah. We don't, because we want you to see what's going on, all right? So we're gonna take these real quick, flip them around. Boom, boom. And then we'll, yeah. So we'll get some even cooking, right? Just flip them around a little bit. Starting to see a little pull back. The pork bone right there, the rib bone right there. So we're getting there, right? Probably another, I don't know, hour and a half to go, whatever. We'll hit it with some sauce in a little bit too. All right, that's good enough. Let's do it. Perfect. Our ribs are done. Cool down a little bit, so they're a little bit easier to cut up. You're kidding me.
I can't wait to dunk them in. I
Can't
can't
wait,
wait to put them in the damn.
Now, normally
Oil.
we'd eat these right now, but we're gonna be
kicking
frying
us
Wait, we
these
got
little-
two.
Yeah. Where's that
It's gonna
toothpick?
be good.
He's gonna put the sauce on the new girlfriend. I hear you. I hear
We
you.
said we had two. We only have to fry one. Cheater!
I know it. It's tough
Cheater.
to resist, but
I was looking for that little end.
You know what?
Screw it.
he wants.
Come on, Slasher.
Give me that little piece. The little thing on the end.
Yeah.
Get the oil hot. Oh yeah.
Rolling over the rib, you know, not that it's not hot enough. I'll just
You're just gonna cover the bottom, or is it?
I'll do a couple of batches, you know, 3 or 4 batches here.
Yep.
I'll dump them out on that tray over there when they're done.
Dry
Layer
smoke.
on the bottom.
Yeah, right here, yep. Yep. So, yep.
I'll have a dozen, plus another dozen. There you are. I don't think there's a better sound in the kitchen. Something frying.
How long do you have a minute? 2 minutes? Too good. Yeah, just enough to sing it. Just enough to sing it.
Tomato. Yeah. We could have done little ones with the little diced tomatoes or potatoes.
Yep. Like a hash brown. Yep.
We're done with the oil. Right?
Yep, turn right on, yep. Okay,
Gas off.
what we're doing now.
Gotta bring them over to the table.
Gas is off.
Yep. I gotta lay these things out so they look pretty much uniform. Okay, ready for this?
So,
Right.
now, oh no, I didn't mean to say. Now this is the Alabama white sauce. This is why we're here. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Now, if you've never had Alabama white sauce, you're missing something out of your life. This will kick these ribs up 100%. You could head on over to our website too to get the recipe.
Oh yeah.
Now, I think this is the part where we're gonna eat it in front of you, right?
I think so.
So,
We're not fighting. We're
well, come on
we're
this
not fighting.
side, get
We're
around
gonna-
this
we're gonna
thing,
jump right in.
man. You gotta check this out. Now, this is the part where the pit masters are gonna eat it in front of you, and they are not apologizing.
Right on.
You got it.
You're not bad.
Oh, get away from
man.
me!
Away from you.
That BBQ and that white sauce, man. It's just kicking it up.
Oh, that's a rip.
That good.
You got enough sauce. There's more sauce in here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I hear a lot of silence.
You can't stop eating.
A lot of silence. Hey, Jimmy. So, thumbs up, Mike.
Mike,
Mike,
come on, Mike, get back.
Come on.
Come on, dude.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.